Alright, let's settle this once for all. How many credit cards should you have? 1, 2, 17. Like your broke cousin who thinks maxing out points is a full-time job? Well, buckle up, because the answer is it depends. Yes, I know that's the most non-answer answer ever. But trust me, this one is worth sticking around. There are two types of people in the credit card world. Minimalists, one card, simple life, no drama. If credit cards were a relationship, this person is in a long-term stable boring marriage. They don't care about points, cashbacks or airline miles. They just want to swipe and move on. Then there is the maximizer, aka the financial acrobat. They have credit card for groceries, a card for gas and a card for travel. And why not a card exclusively for buying overpriced oat milk lattes, all in the name of optimizing rewards. So who's right? Well, kind of both and neither. Here's the deal. Having too few cards, you're missing out on free money. Having too many, you might just be playing financial Jenga with your credit score. Studies show most financially savvy people have 2 to 4 credit cards. Why? Simple. Number one is credit utilization. More credit card means a higher credit limit, which lowers your credit utilization ratio. The banks think you are less desperate for cash, so your credit score goes up. Nice. Rewards and perks. Different cards, different benefits. You don't want to put all your eggs in one reward basket unless that basket is giving you 5% credit. Backup plan. Ever had your card randomly decline while trying to impress a date? Yes, not fun. Always have a backup. Now let's talk about the dumb stuff people do with the credit card. Number one is opening too many credit card at once. Every new credit card dings your credit score. If you apply for 5 in a day, the banks think you are either committing fraud or on the verge of bankruptcy. Number two, ignoring annual fees. The premium travel card might sound cool until you realize you spent $600 on a fee just to get one free airport lounge visit and a bag of peanuts. Paying interest. If you're carrying a balance, forget rewards. You are basically giving the bank free money. Congrats, you played yourself. So how many credit cards should you have? Enough to get the perks, but not enough to ruin your life. 2 to 4 is the sweet spot for most people. Anything less, you are leaving money on the table. Anything more, hope you enjoy tracking 15 different due dates. And if you are still unsure, just don't be the guy flexing a metal credit card while drowning in the debt. It's not the flex you think it is.